earlier, we had a big stain here, a really, really big stain. Now this carpet is a really annoying carpet because you can see the dark marks on it, but that's actually just where the carpet has gone a different direction to the bits next to it. So if I brush it another way, it's going to change. But you can see that big stain that was there is now gone. The other thing is I had these little red spots down here. You can see them. This is semi-permanent hair dye that got on the carpet. Now I was really impressed when I was scrubbing these. You can actually see the red actually coming through like the water. So that is a lot lighter. You can actually, I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up. I can with my eyes. Yeah, it can from here. You can see where I scrubbed the patch because that's really clean there. The rest of the carpet is slightly less clean, but I use my big Vax once a month or so just to do it all. So actually I'm quite impressed with that. We had this stain over here. You can see the difference because you can see the really pale where I scrubbed it. So it obviously does quite a good job. My carpets still need going over the big Vax when that's due, but that will keep them going till the end of the month, which is good because I just hate having spots on the carpet. They're terrible coloured carpets for that. And having to get my big Vax out. So if you're thinking about getting one, I think they're worth getting. If you just want to be able to pick up little bits from your carpet, you don't have to get your big one out. Also quite good if you're someone that can't manage a big heavy Vax, then you can then it wasn't heavy to carry around. You're not having the sort of big physical labour of pushing and pulling. Obviously there is some physical effort involved, having to push the hose up and down, up and down and up and down. But it felt quite good, felt quite nice. Yeah, any questions just about it, just give me an ask and I'll have a look or let you know what I found out. Okay, thanks, bye.